Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail and then take a section of this ponytail and add a rubber band right underneath it. Divide the rest of the sections into two parts, wrap it around the first section that you have created and tie a rubber band to this. Continue doing this until you reach the base of the hair and then add multiple rubber bands to it. Make sure they're decorative. Roll the bottom portion of the hair up as such. Next, add some hairspray to the hair, comb the hair in place and then divide the hair into three parts as such. Now, taking the bottom divisions, make multiple small sections out of it and tie rubber bands to each of them. Join them in the middle line and then tie it up to the ponytail at the top. Now, taking a bun stick, wrap your ponytail around the bun stick and then make a curve out of it. Arrange the hair, adjust it accordingly and then add a rubber band to it, adjust it using some clips. Next, take a section off the middle of the hair, tie a bun out of it. Now, taking the front, make many sections out of it, add multiple rubber bands and then join it at the back in a braid. Lift the braid upwards, tie a bun in the middle and then add a decorative rubber band or a tie to it. Next, take a section off the top, make two braids out of this section and then make a bow shape out of it, tie it up after folding it as such. Take a section from one side of the front and tie multiple rubber bands and ponytails to it. At the back, divide the hair into two portions, make two ponytails and join the hair accordingly. Take a section from the front, make two braids out of the section. Join them as such, one on top of the other. Now, at the back, make three divisions, tie three ponytails out of them. Make them one under the other as such. Then, join the ponytail at the side and the back together. Make multiple divisions in the front and then roll each of these divisions in on themselves. Continue to do this for all of the parts that you have created. After you have done this, tie a ponytail at the back. Now for each of the divisions that you have created, add a piece or a section of thread into it. Using the section of the thread as one of the sections of a braid, make a braid out of each of these sections. Now join them all together in the back ponytail and then tie a rubber band to it. Thank you for watching.